What is up, guys and gals? We are back at it with another video. We got big shipment in from DJM. We got a 4.6 drop. The truck, if you haven't watched the other video, please, I'll put it in the description. Go back and check it out. It tells you more about the truck. But we're going to be putting a 4.6 drop on this We're going to be putting a 4.6 drop on the OBS. Now I say 4.6, it's probably going to be, I'm going to tweak it with some components that are already on the truck, and also tweaking the kit that DJM sent me. I'll try to link the description of the kit they sent me down in the description. So I'll get into explaining a little bit more about all of this, but today we're just going to do an unboxing, try to keep the video short, and just an overview of what all they sent this video. And at a later time, I'll be breaking up the videos as how installing things. Let's get into the unboxing of the kit right now. Okay, we got the upper or the lower control arms here. They look massive, y'all. Built real well. Nice powder coating on those. We got some hardware for our sway bar end links and ball joints, and we've also got our grease fittings for our ball joints and our link ends. Got our shocks, rears, our fronts. Got some instructions and some more grease fittings. These are probably ball joints. Upper control arms. nice powder coat on these. That's actually what they said was taking the longest, was the powder coat on the spring. To get the springs, in, and yeah, that powder coat looks nice on there too. More instructions. U-bolts. Shock relocators. Hardware. More hardware, bump stops. More hardware. More hardware. This is the top mounts for the foot kit. Top mounts for the foot kit. And this should be plates for the U-bolts. And then there's two notches in here. Big shout out to DJM. They did sponsor us for the OBS suspension. So big shouts out to them. Thank you. Stay tuned, guys. Please like, subscribe, or subscribe, like I said in the other video, if you see that. Subscribe, that's when you share and subscribe. So subscribe, if you will. But seriously, share, subscribe, so you can get updates on these videos when they come out about the OBS, the Ford Courier, and any other thing that we're doing around here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe so you can get the updates. Share, because that helps me out. And comment, because that helps me out too, on the algorithms and everything for YouTube. So, guys, have a good week.